TP Navigator is a touchscreen control panel. TP Navigator operates and monitors all functions of the wood chipper. This way, the operation of the chipper is gathered in one place and it works intuitively just as you know it from your smartphone. The screen is built to handle all weather conditions and can be operated with both gloves and pins. Simply turn the key to start the engine and press play to engage the chipper. The Navigator also functions as the wood chipper's no-stress control unit. It automatically stops and restarts the feed rollers according to the load on the engine. No need to monitor the chipping process, just concentrate on feeding wood material. The display allows you to adjust the chip size. Once you have chosen this, the machine automatically handles the rest and adjusts the speed of the feed rollers. In the chipper menu you can see the chip size, the fuel level, the rotor RPM and the feed roller RPM. In the engine menu you can read off the engine RPM, warning lights, the water temperature and the fuel consumption. The service menu informs you of service intervals and the operation hours for both the chipper and the engine. After chipping, simply press stop on the screen to disengage the chipper and shut down the engine by turning the key to off position. TP Variospout is a height adjustable ejector spout. The height of the ejector spout is operated by TP Navigator by simply using these buttons for up and down. Once lifted above the blue parking position, the ejector spout can be adjusted stepless to the optimal position, which makes it easy to blow the wood chip directly into a truck or a trailer. Completely lowered in the blue area, the chipper is in parking and transport position. This gives a safe transport of the chipper and allows it to be stored in a garage, a container or a workshop. In Lindana our mantra is keep it simple. Machine maintenance doesn't have to be complicated. By simple steps you can get access to all greasing points on the machine. Daily maintenance doesn't get any easier than this. In general, it is important to inspect your chipper on a regular basis to prevent unexpected downtime and to keep performance at a continuously high level. By opening the disc housing, you can inspect the knives and change them if necessary. With TP Easy Service we have taken user-friendly maintenance and service a step further. You can open the feed roller section in a few simple steps to check and possibly replace wear parts. This is easy and time. Adjust the distance between the counter steels and the knives. Inspect the feed rollers. TP Twin Disc is a very important component of the majority of TP wood chippers. Two discs are welded and connected to each other with a certain distance controlled by a number of distance plates. This gives the rotor a strong and stiff sandwich construction. The rotor disc is designed in accordance with the TP Optic-Cut principle. Instead of having long knives across the entire disc, the knives are two-piece and displaced. This results in less vibration, a smoother strain on the machine and lower fuel consumption. It also ensures a very uniform chip size. The machine is equipped with a Kohler Lombardini common rail diesel engine, EGR valve, aftercooler, intercooler, under the heat shield, the engine is equipped with a maintenance-free catalytic converter instead of a diesel particulate filter. Turbocharger with waste. The two aggressive vertical feed rollers with displaced teeth produced in wear steel are of the same technology as known from the large forest machines. The machine is equipped with 3 powerful springs. This ensures a very high pretension, allowing a powerful infeed of trees with troublesome side branches. The high pressure hydraulic engines ensure a high turning torque on the Both chassis and trailer components are hot dip galvanized for longer durability. All lights on the trailer are LED lighting. LED is a resistant and long-lasting solution which also has environmental advantages.